Okay, so you're probably wondering how to make a vox model. Right, so for escape, I'm gonna go, first you're gonna go to ftrasy.github.io, or you can just Google Magica Voxel. The first link is what you'll find. Cool, so here I have Windows. I can download the latest version, which is 0.99.4.2. If you have a Mac, if you have a Linux, oh, I don't think there's a Linux version. Cool, so I'll just download this one. Turns out I already have it in my computer, surprise. So I can just open it. Awesome, so here's what it looks like when you open the software. Right, so let's make a vox model. So the first thing you want to do is select those 40, 40, 40 here, type in 32, press enter. It's going to make sure it's a 32 by 32 by 32 cube. And then that's what I usually do. I change that little 10 in the bottom corner here. 10 up at 32, press enter. Then I click on frame, click on grid, and there we go. Now you can do whatever you want. Click on that little bin to delete all that blue stuff, and you can start making your vox model. So I'm gonna make some random stuff just for an example. Cool, and then what you do is you save your project. Cool, so I'm just gonna save it here, untitled, and then you can close. Awesome. So now I'm just gonna go into the Discord, into the content, to files, and I'm going to put my vox model in there. I hope the community doesn't mind that I put such a full model in there. Please guys, forgive me. Entitled, there we go. Up. Cool, and then you copy the link, put it there, and then tab, diamond, vox, click there, put your vox URL, and there we go. And then here's all your cube. So it's a bit hard to select it. I'm going to make it bigger. Beautiful. One thing I have to mention is that you have to have it at 32, 32, 32. If it's 28 by 32 by 32, it's not gonna work. Cryptovoxels is not gonna render your model. So you have to make sure whatever you do to always have it at 32, 32, 32. Right?